Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here in the carving tent. I'm gonna be putting together more videos for this playlist. This is gonna be a 5-minute or less playlist. These videos are gonna be coming up on Thursdays, and they should be fun. They should be a lot of fun. They're gonna be past carvings, past projects, crunched down into 5 minutes or less. So be sure to hit subscribe. When you do hit the bell so you guys don't miss any of these short videos. And be sure to give them a thumbs up. And yeah, let's start making some sawdust. All right, guys, that's it. Hopefully this video made that 5-minute mark or less. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you forgot, hit subscribe and check out some videos I got popping up. And I'll see you guys next time.